Don't forget to check out our favorite Pimple Popper kit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon to make popping pimples a pleasure. It has a lancet for big whiteheads and cysts, a spade for dilated pores and corners, the cone extractor for thick blackheads, and loops of various sizes. You'll be able to pop any pimple in the house. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs, many of which use similar online pictures, but are just low-end replicas. Pick up this professional kit by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.